Welcome to my channel. Epson EcoTank ET 4800 not printing. Easy fixes that work. Step 1. Check the printer power. Make sure the ET 4800 is powered on and the display looks normal. If needed, unplug it for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Step 2. Check for error messages. Look at the printer screen for paper, ink, or connection warnings. Resolve any error before trying to print again. Step 3. Reload the paper. Remove the paper and load a fresh stack properly. Adjust the paper guide so the sheet sits straight without being too tight. Step 4. Check ink levels. Check the ink tanks and make sure none are too low. Refill the correct tank if necessary. Step 5. Run a nozzle check. Open the printer's maintenance menu and run a nozzle check. This can reveal clogged or missing print nozzles. Step 6. Clean the print head. If the nozzle check shows missing lines, run the built-in print head cleaning. Wait a few minutes and test again. Step 7. Check the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your printer and computer or phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Reconnect the printer if the connection has dropped. Step 8. Clear the print queue. Open your device's printer queue and cancel any stuck documents. Then send your print job again. Step 9. Select the ET 4800 printer. Before printing, confirm that Epson ET 4800 series is selected. A different or offline printer may be receiving the print job. Step 10. Restart and test print. Restart the printer and your computer or phone. Finally, print a test page to confirm the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching.